For this sequence, you will need a broomstick, a tennis ball, and a chair. To begin, do a self-assessment of your spinal extension, leaning backwards and then leaning backwards to the left and to the right. Appreciate how much ease or difficulty each movement is. Now take an ordinary tennis ball. I prefer a tennis ball over other type of balls. You can use a counter or a chair to help support you, and rub your foot back and forth for a minute. After a minute, let the heel drop to the floor, keeping the ball underneath the foot, and gently stretch your neck forward as shown. Hold this position for another 30 to 60 seconds, and then when completed, switch feet. There is a band of fibers called fascia that extends from the head all the way to the feet. This dynamic band is called the posterior chain fascia, and this little sequence of tennis ball massage, calf stretching, and neck stretching helps keep that posterior chain moving well. And healthy posterior chain is critical for good spinal extension and overall spinal health. Now we proceed to using the broomstick to improve spinal mobility and overall spinal health. Stick and put it over your head as far as you can, and use it to assist with twisting to the left and to the right. If it's uncomfortable to do it that high, you can place it on your shoulders. The broomstick gives you a bit more control to allow you to rotate your spine to the left and to the right, and you can adjust your feet width in accordance to your needs. The further out your feet go, the more challenging this activity will be. And you can rotate to the left and to the right 10 to 15 times each. Here now I've put my left foot in front of my right, and I'm predominantly rotating to the left. Do that 10 or 15 times. And then switch, and here I'm predominantly rotating to the right. Because of the split leg position, this is a slightly imbalanced position, which means that this activity challenges your core muscles. Next, we're going to proceed to increase the range of motion of our spine. We do this by doing deliberate leg swinging. If you need the assistance of 2 points of contact, please do so, such as a chair or a counter. The importance of this mobility activity is the free swinging of one leg. And after you've swung the leg 15 times, do the opposite leg. Spinal health is reflected in having good extension, both in the spine as well as in the hip. A healthy spine is reflected in the ability to do good spinal extension. Those leg swings help strengthen the lower spinal extension muscles, and now the upper body swings help to strengthen the upper spinal extension muscles. Proceed to do 15 right arm swings, and then switch to do 15 left arm swings. This sequence of arm swings and leg swings does an excellent job of mobilizing the spinal extension muscles. Finally, we end this sequence with doing chair squats. If you're unfamiliar with how to do these squats, please see my video on squat variations to determine which squat variations is the most challenging for you. In this video, I'm just showing you the simple chair squats.